टेक्नो इज नोन फॉर इंडिया फर्स्ट अप्रोच. इंडिया फर्स्ट अप्रोच जो कोई नहीं लाया वो टेक्नो लाता है. एंड ऑल्सो द सेगमेंट फर्स्ट अप्रोच. अगर आप देखेंगे फोल्ड हम दूसरी कंपनी थे पर लाख रुपए के नीचे फोल्ड हम पहले लाए. वी डिड ब्रिंग सो मेनी इनोवेशंस दैट द कंज्यूमर लव्ड इट. क्योंकि कंज्यूमर को एट द एंड क्या चाहिए? कंज्यूमर को चाहिए कि उसको एक अच्छा प्रोडक्ट मिले और एक अच्छे दाम पे मिले. एंड नाउ यू विल बी हैप्पी टू नो 3 मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्लांट्स, almost more than 4,300 employees, and the first fold that we launched, it has been made in India. So for us, everything is made in India, made by Indians, and made for Indians.
Do you have a morning routine? And अगर strict वाला है तो क्या है बताइए please.
If you're home, a good cup of tea with your wife, because that is the most peaceful time that you have during the day.
The smartphone market in India is highly competitive, but there is one company that is carving a niche for themselves, and that is Techno Mobile. Today, we're going to have with us, hello sir, how are you doing?
Hello, hi.
So nice to see you.
Same here, Siddharth. Welcome to our office.
Thank you. Let's go. We are going to be commencing our Noida bit in Mashable Mornings with you. Hello Arijit, welcome to Mashable Mornings. How are you?
Hi, absolutely good. Pleasure to be with you in Mashable Mornings.
देखिए हमको लोगों को बताना बड़ा ज़रूरी है कि we have the CEO of the dynamic, the very young Techno Mobile. How does it feel?
Long way to go, but where we have reached, awesome actually.
है ना? Congratulations on that and to the whole team that's watching this. आप लोग Techno Mobile वाले जितनी पब्लिक ओनर्स हमें देख रहे हैं, प्लीज हमें कमेंट्स में बताइएगा. बट आई हैव आल्सो कम फ्रॉम टेक्नो मरोल नाका बाय द वे.
वाओ.
सो इट इज
दैट वाज आवर फर्स्ट स्टेशन, मेट्रो स्टेशन दैट वी टुक इन मुंबई.
फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, डू यू हैव अ मॉर्निंग रूटीन? एंड अगर स्ट्रिक्ट वाला है तो क्या है बताइए प्लीज.
जनरली नोएडा रहता हूं तो मैं आई लव अर्ली मॉर्निंग साइकिलिंग. कोविड के टाइम साइकिल लिया था, उसके बाद से आई एम अ रेगुलर देयर और ट्रैवल करता हूं तो जनरली आई गो फॉर मॉर्निंग वॉक्स. आई एम नॉट टू मच अ जिम पर्सन दैट ट्रेडमिल में वॉक करना है कुछ. आई ऑलवेज प्रेफर कि कहीं भी हैं कोई अर्ली मॉर्निंग, एवरीवेयर द वेदर इज गुड, सो गो फॉर अ लॉन्ग वॉक एंड यू रियली फील गुड. एंड वंस यू आर बैक एंड इफ यू आर होम, a good cup of tea with your wife, because that is the most peaceful time that you have during the day. So maybe you are back by around 6:30 after the walk, and then 1 hour peaceful normal discussion of how things are, because evening a lot of things go. Sometimes you are late from office, but morning that 1 hour is so important for both of us when we are both in town.
I think that sets the tone for the day ना, कि आपने अपने साथ भी समय बिता लिया और आपके घर वालों के साथ भी थोड़ा समय बिता लिया.
Absolutely.
Where does the person who's the CEO today begin his journey as a sales guy? So वो कहाँ से चालू हुआ, and then you went on to doing distribution and other aspects also. Am I right?
Absolutely. Way back 1995, I joined Hindustan Lever. Now it's Hindustan Unilever.
That's true.
That time it was Hindustan Lever Limited.
हाँ जी.
So that's where I started my journey. I was posted in Rajasthan. So I joined fresh from college after doing my management.
Wow.
I did not know much about distribution. So they directly take from the MBA colleges. That is where I learned my entire distribution journey from Hindustan Lever. What a great, I can say it's a university in itself in terms of distribution and learning. So I worked in Delhi and Rajasthan almost 10 years with Unilever. And then I joined Airtel.
Yeah.
Very different organization.
Back in the day.
Yeah, and that time Airtel as an operator was just coming up. Because 16 rupees incoming, 32 rupees outgoing call. So things were so different that time. The speed of Airtel is almost 20x of that of a FMCG company.
अच्छा जी.
Very fast. So all the learnings that we had in Unilever,
you had to throw.
We had to throw in, because the speed of business is very fast. It was all about consumer acquisition and everybody wanted to go mobile.
Yeah.
That time. So India was a different country that time. It was all about network coverage, and we were in Rajasthan. Rajasthan was 900 circle wherein we were the leaders. So after Airtel 5 years, I moved to a startup, Lava.
Anji.
So Lava, it was a completely new experience. I was given an opportunity to manage the entire eastern part of the country.
Okay.
So no business, nothing. So you had to set up the entire team, entire business, distribution.
From scratch?
From scratch, nothing. From nothing, we even did not have an office.
Oh,
so setting up the office to entire distribution setup, all the people, and it was a lovely journey. First in East, and then there was a brand named Zolo, which
Correct.
was primarily a smartphone brand, and that was the first brand in India which had Intel inside.
This was the influx of the China brands into the country, correct?
Zolo was an Indian brand.
Oh yeah, okay.
Lava completely Indian startup.
Super.
So Zolo was an India brand. So that is where the smartphone journey for me started. So unfortunately, Zolo could not do that well because it was still learning. The products were awesome, but there were some issues in terms of quality. I moved to Transsion in 2016.
हाँ जी,
I was the 10th employee here
क्या बात है?
and the first person in sales.
So that origin of वाला जो आपका कहानी है वो हर जगह applicable है.
Absolutely. पहले employee से sales में having an entire pan-India organization today, having more than 1,200 distributors, almost 1,200 plus service centers. We are there in Andaman, Lakshadweep, wherever you go, Leh Ladakh, J&K, everywhere we have our direct distribution.
क्या बात है?
So setting up the entire thing, and that is what I did in Transsion. And we also have a multi-brand strategy.
Yeah.
So 2016 we launched the brand Itel. 2017 we launched Techno,
Correct.
along with Infinix, Spice, Oraimo, and now Techno is at a completely different level. Our journey from 2017 Techno to 2024 Techno, the entire brand has actually moved really good.
ये बताइए ना, तब उस समय ऑफिस की वाइब कैसी होती थी? कहाँ पर था ऑफिस? were you all a garage like startup? What was it like?
We started from Advent only,
अरे वाह,
but we had a business center, one room business center. From a one room business center, around 15 employees. Then we took one more business center, then 3 business centers. And for the 3 business center, we continued for almost a year.
oh wow.
After that, we have a big office now. We have our office in Noida. We have one more office in Gurgaon, Mumbai, Kolkata. We have 3 manufacturing plants in Noida.
That's true.
So
I would like to gate crash a manufacturing plant sometime.
actually want you to come and visit our manufacturing setup, because when we started in 2016, everybody was bringing CBU handsets
Yeah,
from
yeah,
China, because that was the only market that time.
that's true.
2017, Make in India, Atmanirbhar Bharat, Digital India campaign started. That is when the government said you need to do assembly in India. So we were not prepared. Suddenly to SKD, which is semi-knocked down.
Yes.
Almost within 8 to 9 months of operations, we had everything which were happening SKD in India. And now you will be happy to know 3 manufacturing plants, almost more than 4,300 employees. And the first
wow.
Fold that we launched, it has been made in India. So for us, everything is made in India, made by Indians and made for Indians.
तो ये सेगमेंट कितना कठिन है? जनरल इनसाइट्स अबाउट द स्मार्टफोन यूजर इन इंडिया क्या दे सकते हो आप हमें?
सेगमेंट बहुत कठिन है. देखिए, इंडिया में सबसे बड़ी बात है, इंडिया चाइना के बाद सबसे बड़ा कंज्यूमर मार्केट है.
हाँ जी.
और आज सबसे ग्रोइंग कंज्यूमर मार्केट है, क्योंकि चाइना की ग्रोथ और हमारी ग्रोथ में बड़ा फर्क है. हम बहुत तेजी से ग्रो कर रहे हैं. हमारी इकोनॉमी, अगर हम हमारी जीडीपी देखेंगे तो हमारी जीडीपी बहुत तेजी से ग्रो कर रही है और हमारा एडॉप्शन बहुत फास्ट है. ऑलरेडी जब हमने लॉन्च किया, कंज्यूमर के एक्सपेक्टेशन ज़्यादा थे, पर तब बहुत ज़्यादा ब्रांड्स नहीं थे. पर किसी भी ब्रांड को एस्टैब्लिश करना बहुत मुश्किल था, क्योंकि तब 3-4 जो ब्रांड थे वो बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग थे. व्हाट वी रियली डिड इज वी डिड अ लॉट ऑफ मार्केट इंटेलिजेंस एंड कंज्यूमर इनसाइट्स. मतलब हम गांव-गांव में गए, पंचायत में बैठे, सरपंच के साथ एक पेड़ के नीचे बैठ के बेल का शरबत पीते हुए, दैट इज हाउ वी डिस्कस्ड कि व्हाट इज द एस्पिरेशन. जो यंग लोग हैं उनके साथ बैठे, व्हाट डू दे एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम अ मोबाइल फोन. तो कहते हैं मोबाइल फोन तो चाहिए, स्मार्टफोन चाहिए, बट किफायती चाहिए. वी कांट अफोर्ड अ फोन विच इज 20,000 rupees, 15,000 rupees. We want a phone which is 6,000, 7,000, 8,000. I'm talking about 2017-18.
क्या बात है?
Now the markets have moved out. Now the India ASP is almost 26,000.
That's true. That's true.
So the market has moved out, but that time it was mostly 2G and then it was 3G.
Yeah.
But very fast this 3G moved to 4G. So it was also difficult to have a entire stock change from a 3G to 4G. That is what we did. We did a lot of survey, and what we understood is that time in rural India there was a lot of power cuts. So what were the top 3 things that the consumer wants? Consumer wants a phone which has a good battery, a
Yeah.
big battery. Second, the display has to be big because that time it was mostly 5-inch display or a 5.3-inch display. That time
पूरा
6
palm
inch.
में भरे ऐसा चाहिए था
हाँ,
किसी को.
तो 6 इंच डिस्प्ले तो बहुत कम होता था. Display which is 6 inch, and then a RAM and ROM, because at that time it was also a 1 GB or a 512 MB phones which are available.
Yeah.
So that was less on cost, but in terms of experience, 5-6 ऐप डाल दो, एक आप WhatsApp डाल दीजिए, and then
काम हो जाता
the
था.
consumers did not understand. They used to download, suddenly 20 pictures download, 50 pictures download, and their phone used to hang or become very slow.
Yeah.
So that was the journey. It was very difficult, and we also made certain mistakes initially because we had very big aspiration, and we are there almost in more than 70 countries. So
Wow.
we were very strong into the product and the R&D part, but we wanted to move ahead of the curve and we wanted to move fast. Initially, our I series did not work that well, but then in 2018 January came the Camon series. And
Yeah.
Techno is known for India first approach.
हाँ
India
जी.
first approach जो कोई नहीं लाया वो टेक्नो लाता है, एंड ऑल्सो द सेगमेंट फर्स्ट अप्रोच. अगर आप देखेंगे, फोल्ड हम दूसरी कंपनी थे, पर
जी.
₹1,00,000 के नीचे फोल्ड हम पहले लाए.
हाँ.
द बिगेस्ट डिस्प्ले इन फोल्ड हम लाए, फ्लिप हम लाए, अ फोन विथ अ बैक कवर which changes color when you move to daylight.
Yes.
We were the first. Arch light phone with Power series, we were the first to bring. So we did bring so many innovations that the consumer loved it. क्योंकि consumer को at the end क्या चाहिए? Consumer को चाहिए कि उसको एक अच्छा product मिले
हाँ जी.
और एक अच्छे दाम पे मिले. So I will not say we give products which is just on price,
Yeah.
but we give a technology which they are really proud of. So इसने टेक्नो को दिमाग में बिठाया, एंड नाउ एटलीस्ट व्हाट वी कैन से इज द कंज्यूमर्स नो टेक्नो.
Superb. Congratulations and through the extension of
Thank
you
you.
to the whole team जो आपकी है, जो ये देख रही है हमारा कंटेंट, क्योंकि it is very difficult, मतलब numbers मिल जाते हैं आपको इंडिया में, stickability भी बहुत जरूरी होती है. तो once you got the consumer the first time around, how do you make them stick? How do they come back to you upgrading? And what is the return rate that you've seen?
Very good question, Siddharth. See, what we did before we launched, we said that we had to give one promise to consumer,
Yeah.
which has to be unique and which has to be wow.
Correct.
So when we started with a 151 approach.
Okay.
What is 151? One is 1 year replacement.
ठीक है.
Then what is 5? 5 is second techno phone that you're going to buy, you will get a 50% off.
What?
Yes.
Oh, I did not know this.
50% off. And the last one is one-time screen replacement. Because that time India was still moving from a feature phone to a smartphone.
That's
so
true.
many consumers were using a smartphone for the first time, and almost 40% is cost of a display.
Yeah.
So हमने कहा display टूट जाए, don't worry, one-time screen replacement. And it,
Free of cost.
People said it's crazy. You cannot give a 151. It's so high on cost.
Yeah.
When I met distributors, when I met many partners and many big modern trade chains, they said, "Are you crazy? Why are you bringing 151? You don't need. Your products are so good." I said, "No. We want something which the consumer says 1 year replacement talks about our quality. 50% second buy talks about our reliability and our confidence that we will keep on bringing wow phones."
That's so
and
true.
one-time screen replacement is our promise to consumers that we understand and we believe in you. So that is how we build this trust.
That's so true. I would like to quickly quote Mr. Indranil, who's written Stories at Work. He says this only कि आपकी हर proposition में एक कहानी हो सकती है, और वो कहानी से communicate होके लोग जो पाते हैं उसमें ही आपको delight मिलता है शायद.
In fact, you will love to hear Indranil Chakravarti, IC बोलते हैं उनको.
जी.
He was my boss in Unilever.
What?
So
I did not know this. मैंने ऐसे ही उनको quote किया.
And he is such a lovely person and so much to learn from him. My first promotion which I got in Unilever was under his leadership.
Oh really? How do you motivate such large teams, sir? 4,300 लोग आपके under, of course, with management. What is the mantra to run large teams?
The mantra to run large team, I always believe in one book, which the 7 Habits.
Okay.
वो एक चीज बहुत अच्छा बोलता है. उनका एक हैबिट है सीक टू अंडरस्टैंड देन टू बी अंडरस्टूड. तो it is all about understanding people. At times I have seen many organizations who are doing quite well, but for them people is a number. हो सकता है बहुत पैसा दे रहे हों, पर थोड़ा भी परफॉर्मेंस ऊपर नीचे हो तो they move people. During COVID, maybe at 25% to 50% salary cuts for so many organizations, apart from layoffs. You'll be happy to know during COVID, we did not have a single layoff.
Really?
Not a single. जब कोविड वेव 1 के बाद गवर्नमेंट ने बोला ठीक है, वापस एसेंशियल सप्लाईज के बाद बाकी आप अपना काम शुरू कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज मोबाइल एसेंशियल सर्विसेज में नहीं आता. व्हेन वी कॉल्ड आवर टीम बैक टू द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेटअप एंड यू हैड टू कम विद PPE किट, with a mask, and then with a face shield. It was not easy because it was summers.
That's true.
Many of the much bigger companies did not get employees coming back to them.
Correct.
We had full house.
Oh, really?
Everybody joined us. And now we are almost more than an 8-year-old company. And we have so many people who are 6 years old, 7-year-old, 8-year-old. So, see, what happens is we always have top outliers where we have a special kind of program for the top 20%.
Okay.
We also have a bottom boxing wherein we have a different kind of performance improvement plan for the bottom boxing. But for us, the belly is also important.
हाँ जी.
आज इंडिया को कौन संभाल रहा है? Middle class.
Yes.
This is the belly of India.
Correct.
So organization is not only the top and the bottom performers, it is also the belly.
That's true.
So we take care of them. We have outbound programs with employees twice a year. We have a lot of things like different insurance programs, add-on insurance program for employees, say increment, salaries, all these things are hygiene,
Anji.
which you need to give. But the love, affection and the honor that a person gets when they work for organization, क्योंकि आज कितना भी हम बोले फैमिली, पर 8 से 12 घंटा तो हमारा काम में ही लगता है. तो अगर मन ना लगे, if you see today's youngsters, for them, if they don't like first 5 days, they will take a call on the 6th day. They will not wait for another 3 months, another 6 months. They are very, very clear.
That's true.
So you have to understand them and work as per their expectations. So I keep on learning from the youngsters today. I never expect them to understand me. It is always I need to understand them, and then we together work.
That's so true.
That is how we need to work actually.
I see a Camon in your hand. Can you tell me a little more about that?
This is a new phone that we have launched, the Camon 30 Premier. A phone which has 350 megapixel camera.
What?
Camon is all about camera. A camera centric phone. The first megapixel is 50 megapixel IMX OIS camera.
क्या बात है?
The second 50 megapixel is 3x periscope. The
Oh.
third is ultra wide angle lens, and the front camera is again 50 megapixel autofocus camera.
Oh, interesting.
And it is Sony,
क्या बात है?
which is really, really good.
How
Then-
you bringing it into the price point that we are?
Again, it is understanding the consumer. It is a very light phone,
दिखाइए.
but a 5000 mAh battery. Plus, since it's a 5000 mAh battery, it has a 70 watt charger. That means fast charging.
Correct.
Because now consumers and the Gen Z youngsters, millennials, they don't want the phone on charge for more than maybe 15-20 minutes.
That's true.
They will never do it. They also what we call the CMF,
Anji.
the color, material and the finish, because they want to flaunt about their phone.
Yeah.
So the back cover is as important as the front.
That's so true.
It is Corning Gorilla Glass, which makes it very, very rugged. Also, the display is in-display fingerprint,
Okay.
which generally does not come in this kind of price point.
हाँ जी.
The sensor is extremely good. It has a MTK Dimensity 8200 processor. So overall, the look and the feel, and especially the camera, Camon is known for low light or no light photography.
क्या बात है?
And we recently were in a shoot in Goa, and what we did is we were shooting simultaneously with a DSLR camera
हाँ जी.
and also with Camon 30 Premier.
अरे
And
वाह.
you will be amazed with the result. Camon 30 Premier each and every time was doing better than a DSLR camera.
For real?
Yes. And now you know the Gen Zs are always on social media.
हाँ जी, हमें तो मतलब इमीडिएटली फोटो लेनी है तो पोस्ट करना पड़ता है.
Immediately post करना है. DSLR में आपको edit करके आपको काफी चीजें करनी पड़ती है
Correct.
पोस्ट करने से पहले. Now the pictures of Camon 30 Premier is social media ready.
क्या बात.
So
It's the reverse engineering that's working for you all.
yes. Or this when we launched a Camon 30 Premier, before that we had Camon 20. So entire Camon series, the consumers are loving it. So अगर आप हमारा पूरा सीरीज देखेंगे, टॉप सीरीज हमारा एंट्री लेवल सेगमेंट है. उसके बाद स्पार्क इज समवेयर फ्रॉम 8K to 15K सेगमेंट.
जी.
Then we have Pova, which is all about performance. It is primarily for gamers.
Nice.
Then we have the Camon series, and then we have the Phantom series, जिसमें हमने fold निकाला था and flip निकाला था.
The one I was holding in the office.
Yes, and the recent MWC, we also have showcased our rollable phone.
Okay.
A rollable phone wherein you can take out the
correct. I
display,
understood.
extends, and then it goes in. So this talks about what is the ability of Techno in terms of R&D and in terms of bringing premier innovative technology products.
Superb stuff. ये बताइए, does the upbringing of having grown in multiple parts of the country help you understanding the consumer mindset?
Absolutely. Because see, I was born in Hyderabad.
हाँ जी.
That
That we share in common.
Lovely. And then dad was posted in Afghanistan for 4 years. That is before the Soviets invaded Afghanistan.
Oh wow.
Then I did my schooling from Delhi. Part from Afghanistan, then part from Delhi. Did my college from Dehradun. Then again did my management from Delhi, worked in Rajasthan, then some time in the east in Calcutta, then again here. So more consumers you meet. See, India, every 100 kilometers,
It changes.
it changes. The food changes, the dialect changes,
Correct.
the way you speak changes, and every 500 kilometers the God changes.
That's so true.
Deep inside, it is all about everybody has aspirations,
Ah.
everybody has desires, and how you fulfill the aspiration and desire with the price segment that you need to come. Otherwise, there are companies, everybody has aspirations to buy a phone which is 1.5 lakh or a 100K plus phone.
That's
But
true.
everybody does not have a means to buy a 100K plus phone.
Yeah.
Now, how do you bring most of these features and give it to the consumers? Like tier 3 and below, almost 40% of consumption in India is happening in tier 3 and below. India is growing in these markets. So how do we fulfill the aspirations of these consumers is also very important. So more you travel, more you understand, more you interact with consumers, more you understand that what is their requirement. And you have to meet with all kinds of consumers. Maybe a Delhi University North Campus you have to go.
हाँ जी.
Or Gurgaon Cyber Hub you have to go.
Yeah.
And maybe you have to also go to a panchayat, meet a sarpan and the Gen Zs in that village. Because Gen Z is not only a urban phenomenon.
That's so true.
Gen Z is everywhere.
Correct.
And the aspiration is everywhere and the education is everywhere. So more you travel, more you understand India. So it's at times they say no, there is one India and there is a Bharat.
हाँ जी.
But you need to understand the Bharat as well as India extremely well to actually deliver products for
That's
them.
so true.
Because Bharat also stays in India.
हाँ, वही तो. And they look at India and India consumes Bharat content, Bharat consumes India content.
Absolutely.
Tier 3 and below की insights आप मुझे दे सकते हैं क्या? Is there anything specific or interesting कोई किस्सा हो आपके पास while you were on the field traversing maybe from the past also?
देखिए पहले क्या होता था, earlier what used to happen is when we used to have any launch, we used to go and work with a lot of KOLs, the key opinion leaders.
Yes.
And primarily the key opinion leaders were primarily metro people.
Correct.
Either a Delhi, Mumbai guy or a Chennai, Bangalore, Kolkata, Hyderabad person. But recently I went to a tier 3 market where one of the retailer was promoting our product as a KOL in Gujarat.
अरे वाह.
In that market, I talked about this earlier also. What happened is he was doing a lot of innovation and he used to make videos because he loved techno and he always used to say that this product is doing so much for the consumers, but maybe the awareness of techno because the marketing budgets certain one or two, top 2-3 companies have.
हाँ जी.
Maybe we also have a strong marketing budget, but not
in comparison
in
कम है.
comparison कम है.
जी.
तो जिस हिसाब से Money Heist was one of the very very popular series. उसने Money Heist का कॉस्ट्यूम बना के अपने पुलिस परमिशन लेके दुकान के बाहर, फिर हाई फुटफॉल मॉल में he did an entire show with technophones.
अरे वाह.
And that is when I understood that when you talk about KOLs are not only in the capital cities
Yeah.
or the state capitals, it is there everywhere. And we need to connect more with tier 3 because those consumers really appreciate. अगर आप अपना ही देखिए, आपका कंज्यूमर, यू आर सो पॉपुलर नाउ,
हाँ जी.
बट आप टियर 3 के नीचे वाले मार्केट्स भी अगर आप देखेंगे, योर पॉपुलैरिटी इज गेनिंग डे बाय डे.
There, yeah. And you have to be very cautious of it.
And they are, because consumers, more deep inside you go, more emotional the consumer is.
Yeah.
And more touch they have. I'm not saying urban does not have touch, but urban consumer is very busy.
Correct.
They don't have so much time. So it is more to do with कितना टच है उनका, आपसे बात करेंगे, आपका ये फोन बड़ा अच्छा लगा. Retailers will call, they will give, any consumer have any feedback or any issue, the retailer will call and say, सर ये कंज्यूमर आया है, आपका फोन अच्छा है पर उनको लग रहा है ये प्रॉब्लम है, मेरे को लगता है आपको ठीक करना चाहिए. Because see, consumer feedback always is so important.
That's so true.
It's extremely important. Also, as a brand, when we sell, we should also be very open for consumer feedback. क्योंकि in spite of best of abilities that we have or intentions that we have, we make mistakes. And a consumer who really uses and experience our product for a long time, though we have a lot of testing before we actually give the product as a finished good.
Yeah.
But any feedback that the consumer have, we take it with open arms because that is most important. Anybody who is using a techno phone and has some expectation or some feedback in the phone, we immediately work on that. That is what our MICI team does. That is what our R&D team always expects. Give them more feedback. Tell what's happening right, it's okay. Don't tell them, but tell them what's not happening right. That's
so cool.
Important.
That's very cool. The agility required for that is also very extensive, नहीं? क्योंकि आप you're going from, let's say, in जेवर हम लोग अभी यहाँ चल रहे हैं.
Correct.
से आप वापस नोएडा में, चलो ये तो पास हो गया, but let's imagine रत्ताखेड़ा जो हमारा गांव है.
हाँ.
तो वहां से फीडबैक आया और आपने नोएडा में इम्प्लीमेंट करना है, उसके लिए एक सर्टेन एजिलिटी भी तो चाहिए होगी.
बिल्कुल है, क्योंकि हमारी फील्ड टीम सब जगह है. हमारी फील्ड टीम है, हमारी सर्विस टीम है, हमारी मार्केटिंग टीम है. सो वी हैव अ बिग टीम इन द मार्केट, प्लस हमारे सर्विस सेंटर्स हैं, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स हैं. कोई भी फीडबैक आता है, वी हैव डिफरेंट नंबर्स वेयर इन either the consumer can directly get in touch with us or a retailer or employee तो हमारा
है ही,
अपना है ही है. So whatever feedback comes, we always give it to our R&D team, our product team, and also it's not a one-way communication कि feedback आया हमने उनको दे दिया. Within a given tat, they have to revert back what is that they have done with the feedback.
That's true.
And then whomsoever we have received the feedback, we give it to them. So it's not one way, it's a closed loop. So it's a two-way communication.
Then that's a customer delight of next level, boss.
क्योंकि क्या दे, eventually क्या है, हम आज 6,000 का फोन बनाए या 1 लाख का फोन बनाए, जहाँ कंज्यूमर के पास रहा है, और 6,000 का कंज्यूमर या 1 लाख का कंज्यूमर, वैल्यू फॉर मनी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. So whatever if he is buying a fold phone, then his aspiration will be very different.
Yeah.
He is buying a Camon phone like a Camon 30 Premier, and we talk about low light camera, we say 350 megapixel camera, then his aspiration is there. If we somewhere we think we are not able to fulfill the promise, then it's completely our responsibility.
हाँ जी.
So और हमारी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में ही there is a team which works on that. अगर कोई छोटी चीज़ है तो हम इसी में ठीक कर देते हैं. But we have a lot of consumer studies जहाँ हमारी टीम जाती है कंज्यूमर्स में घर पे जाके, और वो सारे इंटरव्यूज रिकॉर्ड होते हैं.
अच्छा जी.
आधा घंटे का इंटरव्यू, 1 घंटे का इंटरव्यू, कंज्यूमर को क्या ठीक लग रहा है, क्या ठीक नहीं लग रहा. बिफोर लॉन्च ऑल्सो व्हाट इज द कंज्यूमर एक्सपेक्ट्स, टेक्नो किस नंबर पे आता है अगर उसको फोन खरीदना है, इंटेंट टू परचेज, टॉप ऑफ माइंड अवेयरनेस, एंड व्हाट आर द स्पेक्स, टॉप स्पेक्स इन डिफरेंट प्राइस कैटेगरी. Keeping all this in mind, only then we can say country first और segment first products we can bring in technology.
कितना R&D आपने मेंशन किया, कितना ज्यादा R&D इंपॉर्टेंट होता है और क्या, व्हाट डज इट यील्ड?
देखिए, at the end of the day, R&D is everything for a phone.
Yeah.
क्योंकि आज आप कोई भी गाड़ी भी ले लेंगे या कुछ भी ले लेंगे, R&D eventually gives the experience to the consumer.
That's true.
कि आज प्रोडक्ट पे क्या है, जैसे सॉफ्टवेयर हार्डवेयर इंटरपोलेशन कैसे हो रहा है। आज AI के बारे में काफ़ी बात हो रही है कि कैमरा AI एनेबल्ड है, जैसे कैमन 30 प्रीमियर इज अ AI एनेबल्ड कैमरा। अब AI एनेबल्ड में आपका कैमरा AI एनेबल्ड कितना है, आपका बैटरी यूज पैटर्न कैमरा AI कैसे स्टडी कर रहा है, जब आपका बैटरी लो हो रहा है तो कौन कौन से फंक्शंस को ऑटोमेटिकली स्विच ऑफ किया जा रहा है, वो आपका कंजम्पशन पैटर्न के हिसाब से है। सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स एक्चुअली इट इज कंज्यूमर इनसाइट्स एंड विच वी टेक, वी कॉल आवरसेल्फ अ लोकल कंपनी,
हाँ जी,
ग्लोबल कंपनी विथ लोकल इनसाइट्स,
करेक्ट
है ना, बिकॉज वी आर देयर इन मोर देन 70 कंट्रीज, बट सिंस वी आर अ ग्लोबल कंपनी, बट इंडिया इतना बड़ा है तो इंडिया इन इटसेल्फ ही एक तरह से इतने सारे देश हैं, अगर
हाँ
आप
जी।
स्टेट्स लोगे तो
हाँ,
तो हर कंज्यूमर का कैसा है, और फिर R&D हर पॉइंट पे काम करता है। तो R&D बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, और R&D सिर्फ प्री लॉन्च नहीं है, प्री लॉन्च, ड्यूरिंग लॉन्च, पोस्ट लॉन्च एंड री लॉन्च और द नेक्स्ट लॉन्च, बिकॉज प्रोडक्ट लाइफ साइकिल होता है हर प्रोडक्ट का। जैसे हमने कैमन 20 जब शुरू किया तभी हमारा कैमन 30 का R&D और सीडिंग शुरू हो गया।
चालू हो चुका होगा।
अब जैसे कैमन 30 हमने लॉन्च किया तो कैमन 40 का हमारा पूरा काम शुरू हो गया कि क्या क्या चीजें हमें ऐड करना पड़ेगा,
वाह,
क्योंकि सिर्फ सिंथेटिक चीजें ऐड करने से एक फोन में आप कितना डालोगे।
नहीं वो कंज्यूमर भी कॉस्मेटिक चेंजेस देखता नहीं है, वो
नहीं
बोलता है कि
देखता,
मेरे को कुछ
हाँ।
ज्यादा मिला नहीं इसमें।
तो इसलिए अभी जैसे नए फोन्स में हम हर जना AI की बात कर रहा है,
हाँ जी,
पर रियल AI एक्सपीरियंस क्या है, यूजर इंटरफेस कितना अच्छा है, तो वो सारे चीजों में हमारी R&D इज वेरी वेरी क्रिटिकल।
सुपर्ब स्टफ, इंटरेस्टिंग। तो आप की पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में भी हमें जानना है थोड़ा सा। हम लोग लॉन्ग ड्राइव पे तो निकले ही हैं, बट मैंने सुना है कि आप भी ड्राइविंग के और लॉन्ग ड्राइव के शौकीन हैं।
जब भी मेरे को टाइम मिलता है, मतलब आई एम नॉट अ ड्राइवर पर्सन,
ओह रियली?
मेरे को बड़ी मुश्किल होती है जब मेरे को ड्राइवर के साथ गाड़ी में बैठना पड़ता है। मैं लॉन्ग ड्राइव रिसेंटली लास्ट विंटर्स मैं 7 दिन के लिए राजस्थान ट्रिप में गया था।
वाह,
करीब मैंने 3,500 किलोमीटर ड्राइव किया,
ओह वाओ,
एंड आई ट्रैवल्ड एंटायर लेंथ एंड ब्रेड्थ, बिकॉज राजस्थान मैंने पहले भी किया है।
जी,
जो जयपुर, अजमेर, उदयपुर, जोधपुर, जैसलमेर, बीकानेर, ये पूरा बेल्ट, माउंट आबू, ये जो पूरा बेल्ट हमने ट्रैवल किया। ग्रेट पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया इज द रोड्स आर सो गुड।
दैट्स सो ट्रू, दैट्स सो
तो
ट्रू।
आजकल पता ही नहीं चलता, आप बाहर जाओगे और इंडिया में रहोगे, हाईवेज में पता नहीं चलता, कई बार हमारे लोग थोड़े रॉन्ग साइड आ जाते हैं,
हाँ वो गलत
उसको
है,
हमारे को रोकना
कृपया अगर
पड़ेगा।
वो मत कीजिए बस।
तो उसको अगर हम कंट्रोल कर ले, इट वॉज अ ड्राइविंग प्लेजर और आई लव। इसलिए जब आपका मैशेबल मॉर्निंग्स में आपने मेरे को, हम वी डिसाइडेड टू डू इट टुगेदर,
यस
तो मैंने कहा कि ये एक यूनिक कंसेप्ट है कि गाड़ी में चलते चलते,
जी,
तो ये एक अलग ही एक्साइटमेंट है।
नहीं हमें भी बहुत एक्साइटिंग लग रहा है, क्योंकि देखिए आप लोगों को बता दूं, जनरली मैं 100 किलोमीटर पर आवर ओनली दुबई में कर रहा होता हूँ। तो मैशेबल मिडल ईस्ट को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा, और इंडिया को नहीं किया तो कर लीजिएगा, बट वही आनंद मुझे आज हमारे पास आ रहा है। To imagine, I never knew that you could do Noida to Johor airport. Technically, we just touched it and came
Correct.
back in about 30 minutes.
एब्सोल्युटली। और जिस हिसाब से ये डेवलप हो रहा है,
जी,
so India shining is actually
showing up.
showing. If you come to Noida and if you see, I came to Noida 9 years back.
Yeah.
9 साल में this has completely transformed. 9 साल पहले गुड़गांव कुछ था, नोएडा कुछ था,
हाँ जी,
आज पता नहीं चलता।
नहीं पता चल रहा था। How much does the city yield to, आप लोग क्या कर रहे हो, like Delhi, Noida?
देखिए, नोएडा has become the manufacturing hub for mobile phones.
Yeah.
All the manufacturing brands mostly are here. Only a few, couple of them are in south.
That's
So
true.
the good part is if you have your office and your manufacturing, and now there are a lot of ancillary units, because it's not only made in India, made for India, but also the component supply chain ecosystem, because now it's not only doing the kits manufacturing in India, it is also the component manufacturing in India.
That's true.
So Noida, there are so many factories which are come up in the last 7-8 years, which are doing a lot of component manufacturing. So once you have the component manufacturing ecosystem also with you, that helps you, and that also helps you reduce your cost.
Yeah.
Because at the end of the day, if you want to give your consumer a phone which is extremely aggressive, then also you need to have your bottom line under control.
हाँ जी.
And सिर्फ टॉप लाइन करने से नहीं होगा, बॉटम लाइन भी देखना पड़ेगा.
बहुत
और
सही बात
बॉटम लाइन
बोली
तभी देखेंगे जब आप कॉस्ट को कंट्रोल कर पाओगे.
हाँ जी.
If you want a product which is very good, if you want your employees to be very happy, a phone which Techno is known, wherein it is plus in terms of specs and maybe minus in terms of price.
That's true.
So if you want to make everybody happy, then at the end of the day, maybe the bottom line will not be happy.
तो फ्रुगैलिटी को आप कैसे पर्सपेक्टिव में रख के चल रहे हो?
तो इसलिए आपके लिए सप्लाई चेन इकोसिस्टम बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है.
सही बात है.
क्योंकि बैक एंड एंड फ्रंट एंड इंटीग्रेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस. आवर एंटायर लॉजिस्टिक्स इज वेरी एफिशिएंट. हमारा डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन नेटवर्क इज एक्सट्रीमली एफिशिएंट. हमारा we have our own brand Kalcare which is managing the entire service for us.
Okay.
So the Kalcare ecosystem extremely efficient. So aapko you have to like it has to be a well-oiled machine, because if it's not well-oiled and you only take care of 2 or 3 things, then eventually you will not survive.
हाँ जी.
There are so many companies which eventually, like I give you BlackBerry or Kodak एक एग्जाम्पल्स. पहले फ्लाइट पे चढ़ते थे, हर जने के हाथ में होता था.
हाँ.
बट वो कहते हैं ना, टेक्नोलॉजी में एवरीबडी इज गोइंग टू डाई, पर हु इनोवेट्स द बेस्ट विल डाई द लास्ट और विल गेट इनटू सम अदर कैटेगरी. क्योंकि कैटेगरीज चेंज हो रहे हैं. 10 साल पहले मोबाइल जो था आज नहीं है. अब हर जना 5G पे जा रहा है. हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने ऑलरेडी 6G की बात करना शुरू कर दिया.
हाँ जी. हाँ.
सो थिंग्स आर चेंजिंग वेरी फास्ट.
हाउ do you hire right and how do you reprimand right? What is your mantra there?
Hire right is we are going to the best management institutes.
Yeah.
So we have different levels of hiring. So we have a management training program wherein we are hiring from the best of the IIMs and all the category 1 institutes. For the field, we are also hiring from the state level other MBA institutes, wherein they join us directly in the field sales state level, and then they are promoted from maybe a territory manager to a ASM to a branch manager. That is how they grow. And the management trainees are directly into a management training program, but they also spend a sizable amount of time on the field, because anybody who does not spend time on the field to understand the consumers, it's very, very difficult to design anything. Marketing today is so important, because जो दिखता है वो बिकता है.
Correct.
And at the end of the day, earlier it was more offline marketing, maybe at the high footfall areas, out of home, shop boards. But now it's a 6.5-inch display.
Yeah.
So आज the digital social has become so important.
That's true.
तो अगर आप YouTube, Insta, social handles में नहीं हो, Facebook में नहीं हो, तो कंज्यूमर आपको शायद देखेगा ही नहीं. जेनजी आपको देखेगा ही नहीं, क्योंकि आप सड़क पे कितने भी होर्डिंग्स लगा दो, उनका
ध्यान
सर तो यहाँ पे, उनका वो ऐसे रहते हैं. सो फॉर देम इफ इट्स नॉट हियर, आपने 20 लाख रुपए यहाँ पे एक बड़े होर्डिंग पे लगा दिया. मैं नहीं कह रहा ये जरूरी नहीं है, बट आज फोन के अंदर क्या है, आप कंज्यूमर से कहाँ कैसे कनेक्ट करते हो, दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
तो हाउ यू कम्युनिकेट विद देम. नाउ people our age still love with a cup of tea a physical newspaper.
Yeah.
But now also for me, when I'm traveling, I open my TOI and
app.
then it's the app that works. But for my daughter, it's only the app.
Yeah.
So for them, everything is an app.
Correct.
So every time she comes back from college, she downloads 2 apps in my phone. This is useful, you must use.
Very nice.
So that is how it is, and that is how we need to learn from them.
Correct. And the reprimanding, how do you reprimand right? How do you deliver that information to the people?
Deliver information is all about, we had different levels of communication, and at each level of communication, we are very clear what communication has to go, where it has to go, and how it has to go.
Yeah.
So this is something we are working very closely, and each of the departments have a very, very clear communication forum, and for us it is always two-way communication where we are working on.
Very nice.
And anywhere where we think the communication is not working, and when we travel, when we meet a lot, when we meet, we don't only, it's not only the consumers we meet
Hanji.
partners, we meet our distributors, we meet our employees, we have different employee forums. So from each of these people, we take a lot of feedback, what is going wrong with us.
Yeah. ये बताइए ना कि क्या एडवाइस देना चाहेंगे आप टू एनी बडिंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स एंड बिजनेस लीडर्स?
सबसे पहले कंज्यूमर को समझिए.
हाँ जी.
सब कंज्यूमर इज द किंग. जब तक आप कंज्यूमर को नहीं समझेंगे तब तक होगा नहीं कुछ. सेकंड इज हैप्पीनेस.
या.
टुडेज पीपल ना दे गेट सैड वेरी सून. मैं डाउन हूँ, मैं ये हूँ. सो नीड टू बी हैप्पी ऑलवेज.
या.
एंड थर्ड इज सक्सेस. सो इफ यू आर हेल्दी इट विल हेल्प यू टू बी हैप्पी. Success is something which is number 3, because in spite of all your hard work, at times you will not be successful.
Yeah.
But that should not affect your happiness, because it is a step by step process. टेक्नो भी हम 7 साल में एक ही मुकाम तक लेके आए हैं. We have only reached till a particular level, like you said, 27%.
Yeah.
But 27% is till 25,000.
Correct.
Now we are into a completely 100K kind of a segment.
Yeah.
So if we want to be happy in 25,000 segment, then 27% means a lot. But if you are working on a segment which is from 6K to 100K,
Yeah.
then how can you be relevant with a 12 to 15% share? Is something that we are working on.
That's amazing.
So this is something which we really need to work. Learning a lot from everybody in the ecosystem is also the ethos of our entire organization, that how can you learn from the youngsters. So that is why this put first things first, very
Yeah.
important. Seek to understand than to be understood. And since in technology category we need to sharpen our saw always.
Yeah. Yeah.
We need to continuously innovate and bring sharper product. Maxwell always says your team has to be better than you.
Yeah.
So if I am a CEO, my first line has to be always much better than me.
That's so true.
And their first line has to be better than them. And a boss is amalgamation of his team. So if his team is not wow,
Yeah.
then does not make sense. We are
They are
not an
not wow.
organization wherein we say, okay, you listen, I have experience, you listen and you do my way,
Yeah.
we will succeed. It
That's
is not
true.
that.
That's true.
Because they understand Gen Z is better than us.
Spoke about the multiple markets that y'all are in, but क्या insights हैं when we talk about, let's say, the Middle East, Africa, Southeast Asia, Eastern Europe? What sort of commonalities do you see and what नायाब क्या दिखता है आपको इन सब जगहों पर?
देखिए, कंज्यूमर एक्सपेक्टेशन हर जगह हमसे बहुत अच्छा है.
हाँ.
And you will be happy to know Tecno is the #1 mobile brand in Africa.
Yes, I was told.
So we have the highest market share. Recently, I went to Totadiva.
Okay.
So you go there, everywhere you have Tecno.
Arre
You see
वाह.
Tecno. But when you go and speak to the consumer, it is not that we are the #1 brand and they don't have expectation, they don't have complaint, or they don't have aspiration. They keep on telling us, do this better, do this better,
Oh,
do
yeah?
that better. So they have so much expectation from us that keeps us going, that keeps us on our toe. East Europe, we started some time back. Now countries like Poland, we are doing very good.
अच्छा जी.
Southeast Asia, Philippines, we are the #1 player. Bangladesh, we are the #1 player.
Oh wow.
Pakistan, we are the #1 player. Indonesia, we are #2. Russia, we are #2. LATAM, we have started recently. We are doing extremely good. Mexico, we have started doing very good. Middle East also, we have started doing very good. Certain markets which are like South Africa and all, which are primarily operator-driven market. So we are doing it with Vodafone, Orange. So a lot of operator activities also doing
Interesting.
globally. So globally, it is expectation from consumer very high, and we have different R&D for different markets. That is why we call Glocal is not only for India, Glocal for everywhere.
अरे वाह.
Africa, when we go, the skin tone, photo skin tone that they expect,
Yes.
it is different from India.
Correct.
Southeast Asia, it is more yellowish skin tone that they want. India, they want the perfect natural skin tone.
Yeah.
They don't like overly bright,
Whitened.
whitened. They don't like that. They say, this is my color. I like my pictures. original.
That's so cool. That's such a
So-
interesting insight.
So more you travel, more you see, and wherever you travel and you go to different conferences where all the global team is there, so much to learn from them, and then
है ना?
we bring back the learnings to India and then work on them.
क्या बात है. Are you also managing international teams?
From India, we are managing Sri Lanka and Nepal currently.
तो ज्यादा टाइम जोन का फर्क नहीं है फिर आप.
नहीं, ज़्यादा टाइम जोन का फर्क नहीं है, पर क्योंकि we keep on traveling, then our entire leadership also keeps on traveling, तो वो different time zones पे काम हो जाता है. Like tomorrow I have a call wherein I am in India, somebody is in South Africa and somebody is in Singapore. So 3 people, different time zones. So that is how it is. But exciting,
उसमें भी एक केक आता होगा.
बिल्कुल आता है.
इतना हम टाइम और काम की बात करेंगे तो Gen Z of course will come at us for saying when do you and how do you find work life balance. तो इसका जवाब आप क्या देना चाहेंगे?
देखिए, वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बट फॉर मी एंड आई थिंक फॉर एवरीवन, वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस इज आल्सो अ माइंडसेट.
या
As far as possible, work life balance is come to office at 9 o'clock morning and go at 6:30, 7.
या
But easier said than done.
Correct.
You try to do that, but many a times you travel extensively, travel to different time zones. Also, when you travel within the country, you have many meetings and plus traveling. तो कई बार होता नहीं है.
हाँ जी.
Work life balance is till the time you're enjoying what you're doing.
या
It's fun.
है ना.
बिल्कुल. Till the time you're enjoying what you're doing, working, it's fun. When you're with family, I always say, don't talk about work. Don't take your work back home. जितने calls walls हैं, कोशिश करो निपटा दो. For me, when I go back, drive from my office home to home, I listen to lovely music. I
क्या
love
बात है.
music while driving, and that makes me so peaceful. Even if I have a very very difficult day in office,
Just that solves everything.
once I reach home and I have a dog at home,
अरे
Potter.
वाह.
So when he comes running to me, because now daughter is in college, she is in hostel, and I meet my family, my wife, father.
क्या
It's
बात है.
awesome. So that is work-life balance. Live where you are and
Yeah.
enjoy where you are. At times, work-life balance will be
Shifty.
shifting, little haywire, and this goes at all levels and all ages.
करेक्ट. आई कंप्लीटली एग्री. कैसा लगा आपको?
बहुत ही अच्छा लगा और एक्सपीरियंस बिल्कुल ही अलग था.
है ना.
बिल्कुल.
कभी एक दिन हम आपके साथ कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करेंगे. विल शूट मैशेबल मॉर्निंग्स ऑन टेक्नोफोन्स फॉर ऑल यू नो.
बिल्कुल. लुक
तो-
फॉरवर्ड.
We'll have to come to your facility first, gate crash that, and then create a gimbal or a handle which can help mount 3 techno mobiles here, and then we can.
आई थिंक
film.
इट्स वेरी मच पॉसिबल.
है ना.
हमने गोवा में जो अभी शूट किया, आई टोल्ड नो,
जी.
DSLR and Camon 30 Premier.
हाँ.
We did the entire 3-day shoot on Camon 30 Premier.
क्या बात
And
है.
I will send you certain pictures.
आप
I will
please
send
मेरे
you a
को
picture.
भेजिएगा.
I will not tell you. I will send you pictures of DSLR. I will send you pictures of Camon 30 Premier. Then you can decide.
We'll
which one
figure
you like.
100%. So thank you so much for being on Mashable Mornings.
Thank you. Always, actually, real fun.
Yes, we try to do different things and we try to do interesting things. So अगर आप लोगों को कुछ insights मिली हो तो please हमें comments में बताइएगा. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Mashable India if you haven't already.